second topic for today is muscles on the dorsum of foot. We have two muscles on the dorsum of foot. The first one is extensor digitorum brevis. These three are extensor digitorum brevis muscle, and this one is extensor hallucis brevis. Let's talk about their origin, insertion and action individually. The first one is extensor digitorum brevis muscle. This is an image indicating origin and insertion of extensor digitorum brevis muscle. This is origin point of this muscle. It arises from the anterior part of superior surface of calcaneum. This is calcaneum, and this is anterior part of superior surface of calcaneum, which gives origin to this muscle. It also arises from the interosseous talocalcaneum ligament and stem of inferior extensor retinaculum. Tendons of this muscle, they then become inserted into the long extensor tendons for the second, third and fourth toe. As this muscle is inserted into the long extensor tendon for the second, third and fourth toe, this muscle aids the extensor digitorum longus muscle in extending these toes at the metatarsophalangeal joint and the proximal interphalangeal joint. The second muscle in this group is extensor hallucis brevis muscle. This green one is extensor hallucis brevis muscle. Its origin is same as extensor digitorum brevis muscle. Along with extensor digitorum brevis, it also arises from the anterior part of superior surface of calcaneum. It is then inserted into the dorsal aspect of proximal phalanx of great toe, right here. As it is inserted into the base of proximal phalanx of great toe, it aids the extensor hallucis longus in extending the great toe at metatarsophalangeal joint at this side. This is another image showing origin and insertion of these two muscles. These muscles, which arise from the superior surface of calcaneum, this is extensor digitorum brevis muscle. This brown one is extensor digitorum brevis muscle, and these white tendons are indicating tendons of extensor digitorum longus muscle. This extensor digitorum brevis muscle is inserted on the lateral sides of the long extensor tendon for the second, third and fourth toe. And this is extensor hallucis brevis muscle, which is inserted into the dorsal aspect of proximal phalanx of the big toe. Coming to the nerve supply of extensor digitorum brevis and extensor hallucis brevis muscle, both these muscles are supplied by branches of the deep fibular nerve, which is also known as deep peroneal nerve, with the root value L5 or S1. This is deep fibular nerve. This is extensor hallucis brevis and this is extensor digitorum brevis. Both these muscles are supplied by branches from the deep peroneal nerve. That's all about origin and insertion and nerve supply of extensor digitorum brevis and extensor hallucis brevis.